Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, backup camera, tow hitch. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.